Hey folks, thanks for joining. This is the Digital Defender podcast. This is episode 1, and this is kind of a general overview, so let me know what you guys think, okay? So this podcast is going to be geared towards the information security professional and or legal professionals or medical professionals or anyone who's really interested in seeking out what is information security and digital forensics, okay? So some of the areas we're going to talk about is digital forensics. What is it? What is information security, and how it's going to play a key part in your life, either in business or civil matters, private matters, or your personal life, all right? So more importantly, it's a matter of why is information security important, right? So here's a deep dive. Let's just get to it. So information security is very important to us as consumers and also businesses, right? From a consumer ego focus, we want to know how our business is protecting our information, right? Or we want to know what can we do to protect our information. So that's one. From a business perspective, we have to know what can we do and what threats and vulnerabilities are out there that can cause us to lose customer information or make a threat, if you will. So those are some areas. Another reason it's important, or information security is important to us, is because we are our information, right? We're out there providing our social security numbers to get different accounts and whatnot. So we are our information. So it's our civil duty to ourselves to protect it, and also some people's and companies' civic duty to protect our information as well. All right, so now let's take a deep dive into digital forensics, right? Let's just take that topic. Let's say you're an attorney, a parent, or a medical provider, and you're like, hey, I'm about to go into litigation. Or a parent needs to obtain digital evidence from a cell phone or a computer, or an attorney has a warrant or a subpoena saying, I need to obtain digital evidence from a computer or a device, right? So now you have to employ digital forensic services. Either you can do it in-house, which is highly not recommended, or you can hire an expert. And what we're gonna do there is go in the device, obtain the digital evidence, and preserve it for evidential preservation manner, right? So it can be admissible to the court. So that's the premise behind it. And your idea there is to show this as a discovery phase and saying, hey, I have evidence that may or may not be pertinent to the case, as a parent to the subject matter, to your children or whatever. And as a medical provider, sometimes you get into medical claims or class action lawsuits and whatnot, and you have to show digital evidence that you're within the parameters of your job, okay? So I know that's a lot right now for the first episode, but it's good to take in. Here's what I would recommend is to do next is do your due diligence, right? Go out there and say, hey, do I need digital forensics in my space? If not, don't worry about it. You can do it in-house. IT guys can square that away. If you're in the need of digital forensics for your legal matter, parental matter, or medical matters, definitely hire somebody who knows it all and can actually speak to it. All right. So the next week's episode, or I'll try to pump these out as much as I can, the following week's episode is going to be about information security in your workspace and how it's going to affect you. Thanks for your time, guys, and I hope to talk to you soon, and thanks for the feedback.